Question 19. Use the properties of logs to condense 1/3 log base 19 of x plus 8 plus log base 19 of x minus 1 minus 5 log base of 19 of x. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check to make sure all the bases are the same. So 19, 19, 19. Okay, that means that we can combine them then. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the numbers outside in front of the log. I'm going to make those exponents. So I'm going to bring that over here. This one doesn't have any. And I'm going to bring this one over here. So this is going to be log base 19 x plus 8 raised to 1/3 plus, we're going to leave this one the same, 19x minus 1 minus log base 19 of x raised to 5. And I'm going to go ahead and change this raised to 1/3 to a cube root. So log 19, this is going to be the cube root of x plus 8. And everything else will remain the same. Okay, then what I'm going to do is, I notice that this log is added to this log, so that means this will be multiplied by this. So log of 19 will have the cube root of x plus 8 times x minus 1, put brackets around that, okay, minus log of 19 x raised to 5. Okay, now I have this log subtracted from this log right here, so that means that the this is going to be divided by this right here. So log of 19 of the cube root of x plus 8 times x minus 1, this whole thing divided by x raised to 5. And that right there is your final answer.